Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Slim Folio. First, make sure your Slim Folio is fully charged. A complete charge ensures uninterrupted pairing. Next, locate the power switch on the side of your Slim Folio and slide it to the on position. You'll see a small status indicator light illuminate, confirming the device is powered up and ready for the next step in our easy guide. Now that your Slim Folio is powered on, let's enable Bluetooth pairing. Find the Bluetooth Connect button, usually located near the power switch. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 seconds. You'll notice the LED indicator light will start blinking rapidly. This rapid blinking signifies that your Slim Folio is now in pairing mode and actively searching for a device to connect with. With your Slim Folio in pairing mode, grab your tablet or smartphone. Go into your device's settings and tap on the Bluetooth menu. You should see Slim Folio appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to initiate the connection. If prompted, confirm the pairing. Once connected, the LED indicator on your Slim Folio will glow solid blue for 10 seconds, then turn off to save power. Finally, let's test your new connection. Open any text editor or notes application on your device. Begin typing to ensure all keys are responsive and functioning as expected. Try out some special function keys, like volume or media controls, to confirm full functionality. Your Slim Folio is now successfully connected and ready to enhance your productivity with its comfortable, laptop-like typing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.